Good day everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today is August 15, 2020 and I'm going to cover gold, silver, precious metal miners and dollar index. Let's start with gold. This is 18-month long rising parallel channel formation of October gold futures. On a weekly basis, gold lost 3.6%, closing at $1,953. In my last video from August 11th, I discussed forthcoming support levels after metal peaked in the present cycle. The initial support for gold was defined at the upper band, which previously acted as a resistance. Even though gold violated the upper band of the channel for a brief moment on August 12th, declining up to $1,874, it quickly bounced back and continued to trade above the support line. We cannot rule out completely gold declining lower to $1,825–$1,850 range. However, gold closing above the upper band of the channel on a weekly basis is a positive sign. Such price action indicates that the low in gold most likely is in place for the present cycle. For the next week, I expect gold to make one more push down towards the upper band of the channel at $1,915–$1,925 range to solidify its support and grind higher towards $2,000 mark. Gold miners GDX closed a gap and found support at $38.5–$39 level as expected. For the next week, I expect GDX to trade above the support line, trying to overcome gap which presently acts as a strong resistance. Immediate target for GDX is unchanged at $50–$55 range over the coming weeks and month. Let's have a look at silver now. This is a 2-hour spot chart. The metal lost 6.5% on a weekly basis, closing at $26.44. Silver was trading within rising parallel channel formation, which it broke down on August 11. I suggested that if silver breaks the support, then the decline could extend to $24. In fact, silver broke down the lower band of the channel and declined just under $24, where it found a bottom. Following which, the advance in the metal was stalled at the lower band of the channel, which is now acting as a resistance. For the next week, I expect silver to trade within $25–$29 range. My next target for silver is $35 and remains unchanged. Silver miners SIL demonstrated resilience despite huge downside in silver. Against 6.5% drop in the silver, SIL lost a tiny 3.3% on a weekly basis. SIL did not even touch the lower band of the rising channel. Silver miners look very strong and I expect SIL to clear $75–$77 range in the next impulsive move up in silver. Finally, dollar index continues to remain weak and closed on a weekly basis at $93.23. From recent high, the dollar lost a little over 10%. Dollar broke down two important support levels, one in June 6, a 2-year trend line, and on July 27, a 9-year trend line. Surely, the breakdown of a 9-year trend line is more damaging for the charts. My next target for dollar remains unchanged at $88. This is it for today. Thank you very much for listening. Please like and subscribe if you found this video useful. Finally, please note that this video is not an investment advice and created solely for educational purposes.